Hello guys, good morning. Ito po si Tito Jules sa Tito Jules Farm. Today we're gonna be transporting our batch 10 hatch sa ating mga incubators. So this will be batch 10. They hatch about 106 out of 116. 93 po yung na-hatch. So that's about 80, 81, 82% hatch rate. Anyway, dito sila oh. So ililipat natin sila ngayon sa farm natin, and from farm A maglilipat din tayo ng yung grown ups sa farm B para at least doon na natin sila palalakihin. So far maayos naman yung routine natin and everything is going well. Salamat sa program ng Dominant CC, lalo na kay Dr. Erwin Cruz. Thank you Lord, and we will continue to make these things happen and paparapingin natin ito. Salamat again. Thank you Lord.